Hey, Glenn with the Ozzstar Cars channel. We got a quick shorty one here for you today. If you're in your car and you're turning the wheel left or right, front wheel drive, and you have a clicking sound you're hearing, or maybe a binding feel like a thunk kind of bind turning left or right, well, there's a good chance it could be one of your axle shafts going bad. So if you look inside your wheel and you happen to see, hopefully this is coming up on camera, but all this nasty grease, and even with your tire on, and you can see all this, hopefully it's showing up, you can see all this grease. It's just sprayed everywhere. Look at the back of this caliper. It's pretty nasty. Your culprit is going to be this CV boot. Cracks between these ribs, and you should see how the crack opens up on that CV boot. This is opening up and grease is flying out, and that's where our problem is. We need to take this axle out and replace it with a new one.